Alright, so let's talk about ranking. This ranking in school system where you have these numbers and then you needed to make who is the first or second or third student in that order. So who is the first, second or third? So you see here you have different numbers, and because of this, for you to get who is the first, so you need to look for here. So 91 seems like the first, maybe you type it as first, and then who is the next person? The next person after 90. The closest number is 81, 88, so you can go here and type the second. So this is the manual way of getting it done, so which will take forever and we make a lot of mistakes. So the best way is to use this formula here. You say equal to do rank. Now look at the rank here, and then what is the number do you want, which number do you want to rank on? So let us reference this 75 here. Now when you reference 75, now I'm going to talk about ref and order. So in that way, I just want to make it manual for. So when you select this both thing, so you start from 75 again, the number you want to drag and drag it like this. Now when you get here, you see here, because you want to reference and make it order, so you need to introduce the dollar sign to do it manually, like adding a dollar sign here before the F, adding a dollar sign here before the F, add another dollar sign here before the F, and then add another sign here at the last one. So this will help you make the order. So when you finish, close up the bracket and then press enter, and this will give you 7. So you can either drag down or you double click when it shows this cross sign. That's going to label it. So if you look here critically, see this have automatically arranged it for you in the order. See the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Now what if I change this first one to 35? So look at what is going to happen. 23, because you see this automatically become number 15, then this move to 1. If I change this one now to 100, then it still retain number 1. If I change this one to 100 again, then both will retain number 1. You can see here 110. What if I make them 100? You enter, I see that both of them are 1 1 because they are A1. So this is a way you can make ranking in Excel. So with this, you after computing your result and know this is positive A, that is positive B or C or D, then you should be able to get that done. But look here, I see rank. This is the formula I was able to get it. So this is a practical way you can do ranking of scores from the highest to the lowest in Excel. So you can see here automatically this makes it number 1, rank number 2, rank number 3, number 4, number 5, so number 6 in that order. So this is the perfect way of getting it done. So this is pretty much of it. So if you have any question, you can clearly ask me.